How to change app icons on Windows. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change app icons on Windows. To change an app icon on Windows, you will need to simply follow these steps. First of all, find the icon that you would like to change on your desktop. Once you get it, simply right-click on it and then you'll be able to see this menu. Now in this context menu, you will need to find Properties option. Once you get it, simply click on it and then a pop-up will appear. Now in this Properties window at the top, make sure the shortcut is selected. If not, simply click on it in order to go to Shortcut tab. Once you reach this page, here at the bottom you will be able to locate Change Icon button. Simply click on it. By doing so, a pop-up will appear here. Now you can choose an icon from the list or click on Browse in order to select a custom icon file. Also note that your custom icon must be in .ico format. You can also choose the icon from this list. Simply scroll to find the one that you'd like to set. And once you find the one that you'd like to set, click on the app icon and then click on this OK button. Now simply click on this Apply button at the bottom right. After that, click on OK and then you will see the app icon has been changed. If the new icon doesn't appear immediately, you can also right-click on the desktop and then select Refresh option. This will help you to see the changes. So, by following these steps, you should be able to change app icons on Windows. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.